Hi, it's Amira, the business lawyer and entrepreneur from aselfgrew.com. If you're like me or most Americans, you're probably sick and tired of receiving robocalls every day. Am I right? In fact, Americans received over 50 billion robocalls in 2021 alone. But what if I told you that there is a way for you to put an end to this, and not just that, but also make money from them? With our robocall demand letter that I put together for you, now you can easily put an end to these unwanted calls. And the best part is that it's written by a lawyer, aka me, so that you can know that this template is reliable and trustworthy, and thousands of people have found great success with it. So plus you also get free lifetime updates so that you're always up to date. And if you're ready to put an end to these robocalls and also get paid under the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, also known as TCPA, then I highly recommend you to grab this legal template that I put together for you. You will also get 2 additional bonuses with it. And now let me give you a sneak peek into the actual template and what it looks like. Okay, guys, so here's a sneak peek inside the template so you could see that how easy it is to use for anyone. I have highlighted the different areas where you can input the information as instructed, such as the name of the company, the date, your phone number, and all you got to do is just fill in this information. It's 2 pages of everything done for you. I've already included all the relevant TCPA legal provisions that you need in order to basically allege these violations and demand payment. So once you finish the template, then you simply send off this letter to the robocall company to ask for money as for violating the TCPA. TCPA allows you to make up to $1,500 per violation if it's done willfully. So at the very bare minimum, you can get $500 per call or $1,500 per call. And the more calls you have, the more opportunity for you to demand payment. So this is the legal template that you will need to stop robocalls, prevent unwanted calls, and also hold the other party accountable for breaking the law and interfering with your peace. Avoid the stress and hassle of dealing with these robocalls in the future, and also receive financial compensation for your damages, right, under the TCPA that you're entitled to. Increase awareness of your rights as a consumer, and most importantly, save lots of time and money. I'm talking thousands of dollars of not having to hire a lawyer to write this demand letter for you. So you don't have to suffer through any more unwanted calls. Go ahead and take action and download this template today to make your life easy. It's, as I mentioned, it's simple, fill in the blanks template. Everything is done for you, written by a lawyer. You get the legal protection. It's very easy to understand. You get lifetime support. It's not, this stuff is not available for free online at all. And take a look at what my customer, Trinity, has to say about this template. So Trinity has purchased so many different legal templates for me. She says that they are a lifesaver for anyone that makes money online. And so recently she needed a legitimate and complete robocall demand letter, and she was getting illegal calls to her cell phone all the time. And she says that Amira's legal template did not disappoint. Her robocall demand letter template is easy to follow, fill out, makes the whole process of demanding money from companies that call her cell phone illegally using an automatic dialer less daunting. And this robocall template is not only an excellent way to deter robocalls, but it also provides users with the opportunity to make extra money. I mean, you are entitled to this money legally. This template also comes with 2 great bonuses that anyone receiving illegal robocalls can benefit from. And the best part, it's written by a lawyer, but will not cost you thousands of dollars to hire a lawyer. So there's some more about lovely love notes here and kind words that Trinity has shared. You also get access to my Facebook support for a Facebook group for support. And now let's talk about like the 2 bonuses. You get $100 worth of extraordinary bonuses for free with this template. I give you the robocall evidence list as the first bonus. This is the checklist of 11 things that you should aim to collect, research, and keep for your records as evidence of the robocall. This helps you build a strong case against the robocall company and also allows you to file a lawsuit if that's the direction you want to take later on. The second bonus is that how to file a complaint with the FCC. FCC is the agency in charge of regulations governing phone communications, including telephone communications in the US. So I show you how to report these robocallers to this agency if you want to take more legal action against them. So with this template, again, you can demand the robocallers to stop their illegal communications, pay you up to $1,500 per call. And if you've been getting bombarded with these calls, then I don't want you to wait any longer. Send them this letter today and get the compensation that you deserve. There is a lot more love notes and happy customers here on the sales page that you're welcome to look at. I've been working as a lawyer for more than 12 years. So I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs with all kinds of different legal issues. And you can also join our affiliate program and earn 40% on this template to recover your investment. So it's a really, really sweet deal. Take a look at everything here on the sales page to learn more about me. There's more information here. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And once again, if you're ready to put an end to these robocalls and also make money in the process, then go ahead and download the template now. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much.